Are you searching for the best CNC router machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CNC router machine in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. VEVOR CNC Router Machine features details. This CNC router machine is equipped with a knob to help you adjust the spindle more accurately, flexibly, and intuitively to improve work efficiency and make spindle control easier and faster. 2.4-foot offline controller. The CNC router machine is equipped with a 2.4-inch touchscreen offline controller that can work offline without connecting to a computer. The knob is available to help you operate the spindle motor more easily and accurately. Aluminum alloy construction. The CNC wood router is made of industrial-grade aluminum alloy with surface oxidation treatment, which is light in weight, strong in strength, high in stability, shock-absorbing, and anti-deformation, which is conducive to improving the engraving precision. Installation made easy. More than 70% of the parts of the CNC wood machine have been pre-assembled, so you only need to combine the 3 main parts of the offline controller, gantry frame, and base together and then plug in the power cord to engrave various materials. The CNC router engraver machine is capable of cutting, drilling, and engraving various soft, medium, and hard materials such as bamboo, wood, jade, leather, plastic, foam, vinyl, etc., which helps you to achieve more engraving works of various types of materials and complicated patterns.